Hare Krishna. I do not believe in God because I cannot see Him. Show me God and then I will believe that He is there. Is this a very good logic? Let's find out in this video, my friends. I'm seeing an X-ray film, and frankly speaking, I do not know which body part this X-ray film is all about. But do you think if a doctor were to be seeing the same X-ray film, he can get some insights which I do not have? Of course, yes. So what is the difference that actually in my seeing and the doctor's seeing? We are both seeing the same X-ray film, but why is it that the doctor can get some meaning out of it, but not me? I'm sure, my friends, you will agree when I say that the reason is knowledge. Doctor has gained the knowledge in 4 years or much more maybe of his medical studies, because of which he is able to make sense out of this X-ray film. Let me take you through a story. There was this rich man who gave a stone to his servant and said, "Go to the market, find out what this is worth, but do not sell it to anybody." So the servant goes about holding the stone, and he comes across a washerman and asks him, "How much will you give me for this stone?" The washerman takes a look and says, "Pretty dull, boring stone this is, pretty worthless. But since you are asking me, I'll give it 10 rupees, I'll use it for scrubbing the clothes." The servant says, "Thank you very much," and then goes further with the stone, enters into a jeweler's shop and asks the same question to the jeweler. The jeweler, on seeing the stone, almost falls off his chair. He's taken aback and he says, "This is a raw uncut diamond. In fact, the largest diamond that I have seen in my entire life. And at least I do not have the money to actually purchase this stone." So they are seeing the same things, my friend. But yet, what is the difference? The difference again is in the knowledge that the jeweler has, which with the precious stones, which enables him to identify the diamond inside that stone, but which does not help a washerman identify that the stone is in fact a diamond. So we see, my friends, that it is knowledge of the subject matter that helps us see things. Seeing by itself might have only a partial contribution to building our knowledge, but it is the other way around. Knowledge of the subject matter helps us see things as they are. It's interesting that in most Indian languages, the term used for seeing, particularly seeing God, is darshan. And this term darshan in Hinduism, in Sanatan Dharma, also means philosophy. The Shad Darshan, 6 systems of philosophy. So it is evident from this term that these philosophies, these shastras, study of these shastras will help us see things as they are, will help us get the real darshan of the Lord. Krishna in Bhagavad Gita, 10th chapter, 11th verse is saying, "Tesham evanukampartham aham ajnanajam tamaha nashayamyatma bhavasto jnanadipena bhasvata." Them special mercy, I, dwelling in their hearts, destroy with the shining lamp of knowledge the darkness born of ignorance. Let us benefit, my friends. Let us light up our lives with this lamp of knowledge that the Bhagavad Gita gives us. So if you like this, do consider taking a Bhagavad Gita for yourself, gift it to your friend, or sponsor a set of Bhagavad Gitas which can be given to people who cannot afford it. So your money will be used for the printing, publishing of books and for spreading this knowledge of Bhagavad Gita all over the world. So come, be part of this mission. Do check out the link below in the description. Hare Krishna.